pick it up. Anyway, guys, it is a really crappy, delicious. It is a really crappy Saturday morning, and you know, I used to go by this saying, and it was along the lines of Saturdays are for the boys. So like normal, I'm gonna do what we normally do here on the channel. Alright. I'm gonna pack a dip. And I just realized I'm wearing a Marlboro t-shirt, which will probably get me demonetized. But we're gonna call some of my friends and see if they can come over and maybe help us work on the car. Hey, Jared!
Yellow!
Here we go with that yellow stuff again. You're a funny guy, Jared. Funny guy. Yellow.
Yellow!
Purple!
Yellow!
Blue, green, orange, yellow! Oh, fuck!
Yellow!
Jared, just hang on. Can I call the other guys? Wayne, are you there? Jared's on the other line.
Yellow!
Have at her.
Daryl? Where's Wayne?
Juke the jerk out, jab the joker out, jam the juice head.
Okay.
King Kong threw a karate kick that kind of caught you in the kisser.
Loser.
But that legend Lady Luck was lingering and left you with only a lovely little lump on your lip.
Mint.
But maybe mention you may use MMA, Mr. Muay Thai.
Nincompoop.
Knees are
Yeah.
unnecessary.
Over it.
Okay, onwards.
Please.
You out-punched the prick, outplayed the peasant, pushed proper pugnacity on the pinhead, left him praying for peace while Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Quickly.
He got queasy, wanted to quit. Folks were quoted as quietly quipping he looked like a quirky, quackish queen on Quaaludes.
Right.
Roughed up the rook, wrecked his reality, ruined his rep.
Super.
You socked the sucker, slammed the Sally, secured the scuffle by successfully out-scrapping the skirt.
Tremendous.
You took over the tiff, out-tangled the tosser, tough titties on that trade, you twit, no truce.
Unreal.
Utterly.
Violent.
Very.
Wonderful.
Well, whatever.
Exceptional.
Exactly.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yellow!
Zebra?
Zip it.
Guys, hang on a minute.
Ah, fuck.
Squirrely Dan?
Ah, fuck.
Yellow!
So, Wayne, it's like yes.
See, it's not as if it's a fucking question, Derry, is it? You're saying it like it's a question.
So it's like yes.
Well, you're getting closer, Derry, but see, what you want to do is put a little pepper on the end of it. You just want to put a little pepper on the end of it. Like, yes!
Yes.
Ah, fuck.
Yellow!
Guys,
Yes.
Ah, fuck.
Like a yes.
Like a yes.
Like a yes.
Oh my
Feels really good. And the guy's like, ah, fuck.
Oh my god.
Wait!
Ah,
Oh my
fuck.
god! Oh my
Take it.
god!
Take it.
Oh my
Yellow!
guys! All I wanted to do was fucking work on the car and drink some frickin' beer. That's all I wanted to do was just work on the frickin' Camaro, drink some beer, and enjoy our frickin' day. But you guys do not shut the hell up! Yeah, look at that LB7 smoke, baby! Because it's freaking America Day, that's why. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I have my real partner, my real friend right here to help me with the Camaro today, right? No? 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 Yeah? Yes? Dada?
Dada?
Are you gonna help with the Camaro? Why not? Okay, whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of intro, funny, whatever. Honestly, like, if you guys want me to do another video, like a full video of, like, arguing with different people from TV shows or whatever, comment down below who you would want to see an argument with, and I can try to piece something together. Not a whole lot planned with the Camaro today. Honestly, weather is really, really crappy, as stated in the beginning of the video. It's been raining on and off, so I'm not entirely sure how much progress we're going to be able to do on the Camaro today with it raining. So whatever you guys get, that's what I got to today. Unfortunately, you know, normally Saturdays are like my mow the yard day, spend hours working on the Camaro. Today might not end up being that day just due to weather. But I hope you guys enjoy what is going on in the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed that beginning segment. And if you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you liked the video, especially that intro. If you guys liked it, make sure you smash the like button on the video, share it, tag your friends, do whatever you guys need to do, and let's continue the chase to 5,000 subscribers. Alright, this might drive some of you guys nuts, but with some of the areas that are down to bare metal, obviously you can see we're starting to get a little bit of surface rust. So some of these spots that are like bare right now, I'm just going to quickly throw some primer over top of it just to kind of conceal it in the meantime. But obviously everything's going to get sanded and everything along those lines anyway. So I'm just going to throw some of this on just as kind of like a sealant to prevent more rust from happening. Alright guys, we are going to wrap up today's video here. Obviously have a little bit of primer on the car, sanded the rear bumper a little bit, not a whole lot going on. Honestly, I was just gonna make the video from the first half as the video for today and be like a 4-minute video, but I figured I'd include some of the stuff that we did on the Camaro today. So if this was your first time watching a video on the channel, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, join us on our journey to 5,000 subscribers, tell your friends, and like I said, drop a comment if you guys want to see more videos like the beginning half of this video. I will catch you guys in the next one.